Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Children, good afternoon. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
5 minutes I will ask you multiplication tables. Okay, children? And I will tell the name. Only those children are supposed to answer. Okay? I don't want any other one. All of you please mute yourself. Daniel, 9 into 9.
81.
Very good. Madhav, 10 into 10.
10 into 10, 100.
100. Okay, Devak, 8 into 7.
56.
56. Okay. Isha, 12 into 12.
12 into 12. Mom, I haven't studied the 12 multiplication table.
I told 11 and 12. 11. So no problem if you, okay, who can say Anthony? Yes, 12 into 12. Huh?
140.
144. Okay, 144. 144. Harsha,
Yes, ma'am.
11 into 11.
121.
121. Okay, children, till 10, at least 4th standard also, we are learning, no? So 11 and 12, it's not compulsory. I just tell you to study. Why? Because we want to do the calculations faster. Okay, Isha, it's not compulsory, but if you learn, that will be helpful for your future studies.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Rohit, 9 into 7. 9 into 7.
1 into 2.
Who is talking? Please mute. All others, please mute.
One multiplication to 24 12 into 12 multiplication ചെയ്യണം.
12.
Let me see who is not mute.
63.
If I mute everyone, then I have to unmute. Then you don't know properly. That's why I told you to mute yourself, and after you unmute only I'm asking question. Okay, Felix,
Yes, ma'am.
7 into 7.
49.
49. Very good. Dia, you have to unmute. Then only I will ask the question. 8 into 8. 8 into 8.
64.
64. Very good. Anandesh,
Yes, ma'am.
5 into 9.
5 into 9. 5 into 9, 40. Ma'am, 5 into 9, 45.
45. Okay. So children, if someone is answering, all other children has to mute. Don't speak in between. Otherwise, I cannot hear the answer. Fia,
Yes, ma'am.
6 into 7.
Yes, ma'am.
6 into 7.
6 into 7, 42.
42. Very good. Chinmay,
Yes, ma'am.
11 into 7.
77.
Very good. 77. Adinath,
Ma'am.
9 into 9.
81.
81. Praveen, his video is stuck. I think some connection problem is there. Blesswin, 6 into 6. 6 into 6.
I cannot hear you.
6 into 6.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Blesswin, not able to hear?
No, ma'am.
6 into 6.
No, I cannot
No?
hear you. No.
Pranav, you. Blesswin, check your device. Are you that device audio is? I think there is no connection problem. Is there? Your video and all is there? No problem. Check whether your device.
And now I can hear you.
Yeah. So can you tell me the answer? 6 into 6.
6 into 6.
Yes.
36.
36. Okay. Chris Joe? Eight into 4. Chris Joe? Srihari? Where's Srihari? See, Srihari, can you hear? Yes? Ammu? 9 into 8.
72.
72. Okay. So children,
Ma'am, you called me.
yes.
Ma'am?
Okay, it's okay. So children, every day like this, we will ask multiplication table. So don't join after 5 minutes. Okay, sometimes I will ask multiplication table in between, sometimes at the end. Okay, some children will think, okay, first 5 minutes, ma'am will ask multiplication tables. So I will join after 5 minutes. No, that time what I will do? I will ask in the middle of the class or at the end of the period. Okay, children, this multiplication table, if you do faster, then only we can do multiplication. Now we are going to do multiply large numbers, no? So to do fast, you have to practice this daily. Okay, is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
And children, in this multiplication and division, it's very important for all the classes. Till you study college, all the classes, it's very important. So study the tables daily. Okay, even if it is possible, 11 and 12. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
So I will ask mute. Now it's okay, no? There is no disturbance.
Yes,
No need to
ma'am.
mute.
No, ma'am.
Okay, no need to mute. I think all the children know how to mute yourself. Okay, so last class we have discussed 5 properties of multiplication. Who can say 5 I can see Agnay always, he will raise the hand. Agnay, Anthony and all. Now, Richard,
Ma'am, can I?
please, 1 minute, Richard is going. Richard.
Ma'am, can I?
Richard, please tell me the 5 properties of multiplication.
Distributive property,
Start with identity.
identity property,
Identity
commutative,
property.
commutative property,
Hmm.
distributive property,
Yes.
associative property.
Now, which one is missing? Fia? Which
Zero
one is missing?
Ma'am, 0.
Zero property.
property.
Okay.
Zero property.
So, children, when you say in order, how you can say identity property,
0 property, commutative property, associative, distributive.
distributive. Okay, distributive. So this. So for identity property, we can say for any number A into 1 is equal to A itself. That means when you multiply by 1, you will get the same number itself. And 1 is called multiplicative identity. Okay?
Ma'am, when we multiply with 1, right? That one is identity.
Yes, identity property.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. When you multiply with 1, you'll get the same number itself. That property is called identity property. And 0 property, for any number, if you multiply with 0, you will get 0 answer. So that is called 0 property. And commutative, if you change the order, 3 into 4 is same as 4 into 3. That identity is called commutative. And associative means if you change the group. Okay, change the group. And that I will write it on the board. Okay, children, I will write it on the board. Otherwise. So first one. First one is Identity property. Identity property. Next one, zero property. Zero property. Okay, zero property. And next one is commutative. Commutative. Next one is commutative. Commutative property. Okay, and here next one is associative. 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 And after that we have distributive. Look at the spelling. Okay, children. You have enough time to study this identity, zero property, commutative property, associative property, and distributive property. Okay. Associative and distributive. So, if I'm taking... Okay, associative property, distributive property. Associative means we will change the grouping. Distributive means we have to break down one number, and then I will show you in EB board. Okay. So children, Gautam, can you tell me, can you read these 5 properties again? Gautam, please unmute. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
identity property,
identity property,
zero property,
zero property,
community property,
commutative,
property,
commutative property,
associative property,
associative property,
distributive property.
distributive property. Okay, Madhav, can you please unmute and read properties?
Identity property,
Identity property,
property,
zero property,
community property,
commutative,
property,
associative
property, distributive
property. Okay, distributive property. And okay, children, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have associate. Now I will write some properties on the board and you have to identify which property. If multiplied by 1, you will get the same number. That property you have to tell me, that will be identity. If I multiplied with A into 0, or if I say 3 into 0 will be equal to 0. Which property is that? Zero property. And so if I write that on the board, you have to identify the properties.
Okay, ma'am.
So first one, if I told you 3 into 4 is the same as 4 times 3. So this property, who can tell me this property? Yes, Isha, please unmute and speak. Okay, 1 minute. Children, please mute. I will call one by one, then only those person is allowed to talk. Okay, Isha.
It's the commutative
Yes,
property.
this property is commutative.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, commutative is also known as community property.
Commutative. Commutative only. Okay. Commutative.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. See here, if you change the order 3 into 4, 4 into 3, that is that day I told you flip-flop. If you change the order, this property, that is commutative. But in the case of like same associative, we will be having 3 numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
3 numbers. Okay. Now first, this 4 and 5, they are close. They are in one bracket. Means these two are like we can say they are friends or they can be in one group. Now when we change the group,
3 into 4 in one bracket.
in one bracket. Okay, this one and this will be bracket and we will write the other number outside. This property is known as associative. What is this property?
Associative.
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 Answer will be same. Associative. Okay. Associative. Okay, children, please look at the board and think what is the difference between commutative and associative. Commutative, we have only 2 numbers. And we can
Associative
change the number. Okay. But in associative, we have 3 numbers and we are changing the groups. Here 4 and 5 in one group.
There are 3 and 4 in group.
5 outside. Like that also.
3 and 4 in one.
You will make some groups like your friends. After some time, you will make one person outside your group. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
You remember like that? You can remember like that. You sometimes like all 3 persons will be the 2 will be very close and they don't want to be friend with other one. After some time, you will change the group. Yes? The gang. Think like that. Okay, then you have to remember. What is that? Associative.
Ma'am, but the answer is 1.
So did you understood now identity, 0, commutative, associative, 4 properties?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now the last one,
Yes, ma'am.
distributive. Okay? Distributive. All of you please mute.
Okay,
Mute.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So here, associative and commutative, it's clear we have. Okay, distributive. If I want to like 12 into 7, or I can say
It is
minus 7 into 12. I will write this 12 as 10 plus 2. Yes, who is calling?
Yes, ma'am. No,
ma'am. Distributive, you should tell us distributive or distributive.
Who is disturbing you? No, it's not disturbance. It is distributive. Distributive.
Okay, ma'am.
When your birthday and all, you will say, can I distra, means it's not distra, yes? What is that we call? Distribute. Ma'am, can I distribute means you are giving to everyone. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this 7 into, this 12 children, I can write 7 into 10
bracket 10
plus
plus 2.
2.
2.
Children here
equal to 7
outside,
into 12.
children, please mute. First I will teach, then Anjani will teach you. Okay?
No.
Please mute yourself, then I will give you time. Children, outside you have to see that is multiplication sign. Inside that is plus. Okay. Now distribute 7 into 10. So that we will write 7 times 10 and 7 times 10. Then you have to here plus. Why I use different color means this is into and this is plus. 7 into 10. Now what you have to do? 7 into 2. 7 into 2. So they are distributing 7 into 10. Also 7 into 2. So this property is called distributive. Look at the spelling. Distributive property. Okay, distributive. Okay, all the children, did you understood? How to write a 7
Yes,
into
ma'am.
10 plus in the middle, that is plus, and 7 into 2, that is, yes. Okay, children, understood? For 5 properties, Bharadwaj, can you tell me, can you name 5 properties? Bharadwaj? Bharadwaj? Not able to hear? Bharadwaj, can you hear me? Anandesh?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Please name 5 properties.
identity property, zero
Identity property.
commutative
Bharadwaj, are you
property.
attending the class? Can you hear me, Bharadwaj? Is there any connection problem? Yes, Bharadwaj. I think there is some connection problem. Yes, Anandesh, continue. Identity
Associative
property.
distributive property.
From the beginning, one more time. I didn't hear properly. Identity.
Identity property, zero property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property.
Distributive. Okay. Now I will write some numbers on the board with properties. You have to identify the properties. You have to identify the property.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse ma'am, we should
Yes.
also say multiplicative property.
Huh?
Multiplicative property.
Identity. That identity property same as like 1 in that when you multiply by 1, you will get the same number itself. That is called multiplicative identity. Okay, identity and multiplicative identity, they're same. Okay, that one is called multiplicative identity. Okay, so Manu, tell me the answer. Yes? 100 into 1. What's the answer?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Manu is there.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
Manu is there. Children, I am calling by name. I'm calling by name. Okay. Anusri, can you tell me 100 into 1?
100.
100. Tell me which property?
Identity property.
Okay, this is identity property. Identity property. Okay. Next one. 1000 into 0. Amanat.
And can I say?
Amanat. Amanat. Angelina, please tell me the answer.
0, ma'am.
0. Which property?
0 property.
0 property. Okay, 0 property. Okay.
Thank you,
Next
ma'am.
one, I will write 3 into 10 into 5. Now 3 outside. 10 into 5 inside. Chinmay, can you tell me which property is that?
Distributive property.
Huh?
Distributive property.
This I told you, you are changing your gang or you can changing the group. Group.
Can I say?
Huh?
Can I say, ma'am? Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
Associative property.
Wait.
Associative property.
Associative. Okay.
Property.
Children, here I change this left side and right side. That's okay. But the grouping only change. Here it's in the bracket. The other 2 numbers in the bracket. I should write this in the left hand side. But I just tried, okay, to confuse. That's why here associative. Okay, associative. So here we have identity property, 0 property and associative. Now we have to write 2 more properties. What are they?
Distributive and community.
Community and distributive.
Commutative. Okay. If I write 7 into 4, same as 4 into 7. Alok, which property, Alok?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Alok.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Alok.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Property.
Huh? Which property is that, Alok?
Property. And distributive. Commutative property.
Fia, tell me what is this property?
And commutative property.
Yes, commutative. Okay, Fia, which one?
Yes, ma'am.
Which property?
Commutative.
Commutative. If you change the order of two numbers, the answer will be same. That's why we are writing equal to. So this property is called commutative.
Commutative.
Okay.
Commutative
Now if I am writing like 7 into 100 plus 4, if I am expanding, how we can write 7 into 100? 7 into 100 plus 7 into 4. Chris Joe, can you tell me now which property is this?
Ma'am?
Chris Joe, any connection problem?
No.
Which property is this?
Associative.
Is it associative?
Ma'am, it's distributive.
Huh?
Ma'am, it's distributive.
Distributive. Okay, Catherine, what is this property, Catherine?
Distributive property.
Distributive. See here, 7 is outside and 100 plus 4. This plus is very important. In distributive property, we will be having this plus symbol. 7 multiplied first with 100. So we are writing 7 into 100. Now inside we have plus, and outside 7 into the second number, that is 4, 7 into 4. So children, any doubt in these 5 properties?
No, ma'am.
So,
No, ma'am.
only 5 minutes left. Can you do workbook questions 1,
Okay, ma'am.
1 to 3?
Ma'am, you are not asking
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you tell me the page number, children?
Page number 57. Page number 57.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Page number 49. 49.
49, sir. I have to division.
Page number 49.
Then, by the time you are doing this question, I am marking the attendance. Started sound. You are doing this alone, and by the time I am doing attendance, okay? Chinmay present, Adinath, Agnay, Alim, Alok. Adil is there, Adil. Adil is present.
Ma'am, he is
Adil?
present. Ma'am, Adil is present.
Adil is present? Yes. Ammu, Amna, Anandakrishnan, Anandesh, Angelina, Anina. Anina is there now? Anina? You can tell present. Some children,
Ma'am, Angelina is present, ma'am. I was late to class.
Who?
Angelina.
Okay, okay. Anthony, Ayman, Bharadwaj, Brightlin. Is there no Brightlin?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Anthony present.
Catherine, Christo, Dia, Devak, Isha,
Fia.
Ma'am, Sven is present.
Gautam. See, those children I am seeing on the board, I am marking the attendance. Okay, only some children I have doubt. That's one I am reading louder. Okay, that time you can say present. All others I am marking. Tanya, Manu is there, Srihari is there, Rohit Rohit is there, yes. Richard, Praveen, Pranav, Nandida, Madhav. John Sebi is here. John Sebi present or not? John Sebi. John, can you tell John is present or not?
Ma'am, we can't see him.
Huh?
I thought he's absent.
Is absent.
is absent.
Felix present, Blaswin is there, Anushree is there. Abhimanyu joined just now. Okay, children, is there any doubt completed?
No,
Excuse me, ma'am.
no doubt.
Yes.
No doubt.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am.
Yes. Anandesh, all others please mute. Anandesh, speak. Yes.
Ma'am, in the distributive property, in the third question, after multiply A into B, we should also multiply A into C and add it, and then we get the answer.
Can you repeat? The question is not clear to me.
Ma'am,
Ah.
then A into B plus A into C. In that, we should first multiply A into B and then multiply A into C.
Yes. Then we have to add the two. Add.
The answer. Only we should multiply only one.
That according to the question. Now we are learning only the properties. So you identify the properties. When it comes to the problems, we can discuss. Okay.
Ma'am, that's
And children, all these properties are very important and it will be useful for your higher classes also. So try to study all the properties. Yes, Fia.
Ma'am, that's a case of the
My second question, I have a doubt. Ma'am, that multiplicative identity and multiplicative property, how can it be?
It's multiplicative identity because our property, what is the name? Identity property.
Identity property.
Identity property. Okay, children,
And
now
does
is the
it has
time.
two
We will
names?
discuss the same answers
Ma'am, they have the
next period. Okay, in our next period, we will discuss these answers. All the children who have not completed.
children subtraction notes to write in the unrolled paper. Yeah,
Yes,
not
yes,
given.
I will send. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all the children, bye. Thank you.
ma'am. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.